All right, welcome to installing Mach3. This is a way to set up Mach3. Now you'll notice our computer has a little bit of a funky and fun setup that came preset onto one of our computers here. It's the Disney collection, as I think they called it back then. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. You're gonna find the right CNC load up on your desktop. You'll go to Programs, over here, and then we'll be clicking on the Mach3 version 3.043.066. Stable version of the program. This will pop up. It'll say, hey, welcome, blah, blah, blah. You hit next. I agree to the terms of the license and liability agreement. Cool, all right. Okay, and I have it installing to the C drive. We'll keep it all there. That's going to be necessary. I'm going to keep also all of the other things that they have in here, the different wizards and XMLs, what have you. Just don't worry about changing any of these at all. We're just going to hit next. All right, we don't need to create any of these, so we'll just hit next. And everything is set here, so hit next, ready to install. And then it's just going to start installing everything. It's going to ask to install the parallel port driver. We hit next. Now, because it's already installed on the computer, it's not going to do all of the crazy things it usually does, which is, run through a restart process or what have you. In this case, that's all it takes to install Mach3 on this computer. If you work from there, we should be good to go. Shoot me a call if you have questions. Thank you.